Innovation is the driving force behind a corporate sustainable development. Innovation is the booster that propels industrial transformation and upgrade. Three-wheel drives promote formation of 10 billion yuan Hongda Medical Equipment Industrial Park. Hongda is a comprehensive scientific, industrial, and commercial enterprise principally engaged in the research and development, production, trade, logistics, and Internet Plus application of medical equipment and devices. Hongda's main products include those related to the 10 areas of infusion and transfusion category, syringe category, puncture instrument category, anesthesia device category, catheter and tube category, examination or auxiliary equipment category, cardiovascular intervention equipment category, blood purification and vitral diagnosis, and smart medical care. Hongda is responsible for nearly one-fifth of the world's disposable sterile medical consumables, with products found in 63 nations and regions across the Americas, Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and Africa. Hongda covers 90% of the Chinese market and occupies 20% of market share, with production volume and equipment and technology automation level all ranked among the forefront in the industry. The company is the leader in the medical equipment industry of Jiangxi Province and one of the biggest producers and suppliers in the disposable sterile medical equipment industry in China. To stay abreast of new development patterns of the industry, the Hongda Group adapts to the trend of the times, adopts the three-wheel drive strategy consisting of innovation, upgrade, transformation, and orients itself toward innovation development, cost optimization, industry expansion, and overseas engagement as chief directions in order to create the 10 billion yuan Hongda Medical Equipment Industrial Park, using innovation as leverage to enhance the industry. In the next half of a decade, Hongda will leverage on the planning and construction of facilities such as Medical Consumable Museum, Hongda Business Academy, Medical Care and Rehabilitation Institution, high-end talent apartment, upscale kindergarten, etc. to attract top-tier human resources. The company will establish industry, academia, research, healthcare, innovative research and development platforms in the Yangtze Delta and Pearl River Delta areas, and fund a testing platform with third-party qualification in the Jinxian medical care industry base. Well known as the home of medical equipment and devices in China, so as to form an R&D achievement conversion system characterized by a research a batch, trial produce a batch, register a batch, mass produce a batch, by leveraging on innovation to promote industrial transformation and upgrade, and then enhance the four major industries of fusion, transfusion, and injection instruments in vitro diagnosis, blood purification, and smart medical care. The mission is to realize the formation of the 10 billion yuan Hongda Medical Equipment Industrial Park, using the upgrade as engine to drive production capacity. Upgrade of the Hongda medical care industry utilize a two-pronged approach. Firstly, efforts are focused on orienting traditional, labor-intensive manual production method towards automation, intelligentization, and automation manufacturing technologies. Secondly, steps have been taken to expand upon products with high added value in the traditional industrial chain. The target is to record RMB 2.6 billion in business revenue by 2025, using transformation as fuel to propel the industry. Industrial transformation is concentrated into a trio of 100 billion yuan blue ocean markets, and transformation and upgrade endeavors will revolve around the four sectors of medical consumables, blood purification, in vitro diagnosis, and smart medical care, so as to achieve the Hongda development of goal of reaching the 10 billion yuan in business revenue. Go with the flow. Ride with the wave. In the future, under the auspices and supports of various levels of the government and various parts of society, Hongda Group will lean on our three-wheel drive strategy as primary driving force of development concentrate on the development target of building a 10 billion yuan industry and successfully floating shares on the main board of the Shanghai Stock Exchange. Remain steadfast on our original aspiration, forge forward steadily no matter the difficulty, and contribute new achievements and reach new glories for the sake of helping build a prosperous, beautiful, happy, modernized Jiangxi of the new era.